What's up guys, Shavar here, back with another new awesome video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about Quack Builder University and why you should become a Quack Builder University student. Alright, like that being said guys, let's get started. Okay, so what is Quack Builder University? Quack Builder University, guys, is basically an online school. Yes, it is an online school that teach you guys exactly how to build your website and also teach you how to generate income, passive income online, all from the comfort of your home. Yes, so if you're a business owner, you now have the power to take control back of your online presence. Okay, so we teach you step by step how to build a website. There's no coding whatsoever. It's really easy, simple, drag and drop, and you're ready to rock. Okay, and we teach you step by step. So step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, you should do this. Okay, and it just take a hour a day of your time. Okay, a hour a day. And when you finish build your website, you will be ready to start to promote your website and start making money. Okay, so it's just an hour a day, guys, a little as an hour a day. You just put aside to work on your business, and then when you do that, you will have the step-by-step videos teaching you exactly what to do. So you will never get lost. You will never be confused of what you should be doing next. That's the power of Quack Builder University. And we keep adding videos every single month. Okay, so you will learn to build your website, no coding, zero coding whatsoever. And when you finish build a website, we teach you monetization. Okay, and what's monetization is basically ways you can earn on your website. Okay, different ways you can earn money with that particular website that you built. Okay, and then once you learn that, we show you how to do SEO. We show you how to optimize your website, and then we teach you how to market your website with different platform, etc. Okay, we teach you PPC, we teach you YouTube, we teach you Instagram, we teach you Twitter, we teach you everything you need to know to build a successful online business. Okay guys, so Quack Builder University will take your business from nothing to everything. I promise you that. Okay, I cannot promise you guys that you're gonna join Quack Builder University or become a Quack Builder University student and be a gazillionaire because by right, by law, I cannot guarantee you that. But I can say, if you follow the video step by step and take action and implement the step that we teach you guys in Quack Builder University, you can start make money online. Okay, and the sky's the limit. Okay, guys, you can make $1,000 per month. You can make $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month. The sky is the limit. As long as you follow those videos, you will start to see result. Okay, so Quack Builder University, guys, you can become a student right now today, but we're not gonna allow Quack Builder University to be public all the time. Okay, once it get to a certain amount of student, we have to shut it down. Okay, so if you can join Quack Builder University now, go ahead and do so, because in the future you will probably not gonna be a student, because we only allowing certain amount of student inside of the members area. Once we get to that particular goal, we're gonna shut it down. Okay, so only the student that enroll in Quack Builder University like now is going to be the one that we continue to teach how to make money online. Okay, and we have a lot, we cover everything in Quack Builder University. Okay, from YouTube to Twitter to how to build and design your website. No coding whatsoever. Everything is really easy and simple in Quack Builder University. Yes, so we handing you all our tools that we use to generate income online. And trust me, it is not complicated. Okay, we do not complicate stuff. Okay, we give you the real thing that you need to follow. We cut out all of the nonsense that they've been teaching you guys online, and we get straight to the point, and we teach you exactly what you need to do to start profiting online. It's that easy. Okay, guys, also make sure you guys check out the Quack Builder University merchandise. We have hoodies, we have t-shirts, we have all that. Okay, so once you become an online business mastermind and start to generate thousands of dollars online, you can get your t-shirt, say master online business, because that's what you're about to do. You're about to master your online business so you can make income no matter where you are in the world. You could be sleeping and you're still making money. Okay, guys, so make sure you grab your t-shirt. Make sure you grab your Quack Builder t-shirt. We have a lot of choices you can choose from, whether you need a hoodie or you need a normal t-shirt or a long sleeve, whichever one you want. Make sure you go to quackbuilder.com/store and you can order your t-shirt from there. Okay, guys, if you're not yet a Quack Builder University student, you got to join now before we cut it off. Okay, because once we reach the goal of the students that we need, it's going to be gone. Okay, we're gonna shut it down. We're gonna stop taking student, and we're gonna continue to teach the student that enroll early into Quack Builder University. So now's your chance to get Quack Builder University before it's too late. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to close this video because it's getting too long. If you want to become, successful online, you got to be a Quack Builder University student, because we teach you everything about online business and how you can build a successful online business out here on the internet. Like that being said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the members area. Okay, peace.